Hello students, in this video we will study about small business and enterprises. Meaning of small business. As the name indicates, a small business means a business which is carried on a small scale. Means a business which functions on a small scale level, involves less capital investment, less number of labor and fewer machines to operate, is known as a small business. Small scale industries play a very important role in the economic development of country. Some examples of the small scale industries are paper making, toothpick making, pen making, bakeries, candle making, local chocolate industries, etc. Here are some of the definitions of small business which will clarify you the meaning of small business. First of all, small scale industry was defined by the Industrial Development and Regulation Act, that is IDRA 1951. Any enterprises which employs not more than 50% when using power and 100 when not using power, and with capital assets not exceeding rupees 5 lakh is called a small scale industry. Means in any business where there are 50%, not more than 50% in case the firm is using power, and in case the business is not using power, then the maximum number of person can be 100 and the capital limit is rupees 5 lakh. But this definition was revised by Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. Earlier the definition was somewhat different, but I'll tell you about the latest definition which was given by our Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, and this definition is applicable from 1st July 2020. She has divided, this act has divided small scale industry into three categories: micro enterprises, small enterprises and medium enterprises. A micro enterprises where the investment in plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 1 crore rupees and turnover does not exceed 5 crore rupees. Mean to say, an enterprises will be called a micro enterprises where the investment in plant and machinery is maximum rupees 1 crore and the turnover is maximum 5 crore per year. And a small enterprises means where the investment in plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 10 crore rupees and turnover does not exceed 50 crore rupees. And a medium enterprises is the one where the investment in plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 50 crore rupee and turnover does not exceed 250 crore rupees. India is a country of villages. Here the maximum population resides in villages. The standard of living here is not high because of many reasons. Among these reasons, the primary reasons happen to be unemployment, financial crisis, fewer opportunity for artisans, scarcity of resources, etc. And the issue to contemplate here is how the country will develop in this situation. Keeping in view that India resides in village, certainly the development of village is needed. Now the question arises, how the development of villages will take place? The question has an answer. With the establishment of small businesses, the development of the rural area is possible. So, small business can play a significant role in the development of the rural areas. Some of the main features of the role of small businesses in the development of the rural area are as follows. Small businesses provide employment in the rural area. Small scale farms use labor intensive techniques, means they are not more dependent on machines as the large scale industries are. These organizations are more dependent on labor. Therefore, there is the demand of human resource in small scale industry or in small business, and they have high potential to provide employment to a large number of people per unit of capital. For every worker employed in large scale industries, about 3 workers are engaged in small scale industry. Mean to say that 3 times human resource are employed in small scale industry as compared to large scale industries. Small scale industries also help in balanced regional development. Small scale industries promote decentralized development and help to remove regional disparities in industrialization. The development of small scale industries leads to industrialization in rural areas. By providing employment in rural areas, they help to check migration and overcrowding in urban areas, because the small scale industries are set up in rural areas, so the people of rural area get employment there, so they need not to migrate to some other cities. Optimization of capital. Small scale industry requires less capital per unit of output, and therefore greater output can be obtained with small investment. Small industries also provide quick returns as compared to large scale industry because of the short gestation period. It, Small scale industry also help in mobilization of local resources. In rural areas, resources like labor, barren land, raw material, etc. either remain idle or unutilized or used in a very less quantity. With the establishment of small industries, better utilization of these resources is possible. Small scale industries also help in exchange earnings. Small scale industries help in reducing pressure on the country's balance of payment in 2 ways. Firstly, they do not require imports of sophisticated machinery, because in small scale industry simple machinery is used, that is basically domestically made. And secondly, these small scale industry contribute a lot in the export of the country, so they also help in earning the foreign exchange. And small scale business also help in making the society even handed, mean to say equitable distribution of income. Small scale industries help in reducing concentration of economic power in few hands. They promote a more equitable distribution of national income and wealth. Development of small scale industries help to reduce monopolies and exploitation of customers. With the establishment of these businesses, the income of the country is not just concentrated with some handful city industrialists, but is also distributed among many small rural industrialists. This helps to reduce the gap between the rich and poor, and thus help in making society more even-handed. Small scale industries are feeder to large industries. Actually, the small scale industry sector is complementary to the large scale industry. Small scale industries manufacture various types of components such as spare parts, tools, accessories which are required by the large scale sector, and small firms also distributes the goods produced by the large scale firms. So in this way small scale industry helps the large scale industries. Small scale industries also provide opportunities for artisans. In the villages, artisans, specialists, artists having expertise in different fields are found. Because of the lack of opportunities, their skills do not come into limelight. Small business provides opportunities to such people. This provides an impetus to their talent. Next important role played by the small scale industry in rural India is that it helps in promoting the standard of living of rural people. You know that with the establishment of small business in rural area, villages get many type of facilities like employment, electricities, road, education, banks, mode of transportation, etc. In such a situation, promotion of the standard of living is inevitable. And small business also help in reducing the pressure of population on agriculture. You know that India's population is mainly dependent on agriculture. Especially in rural area, the population is dependent on agriculture only. But this dependence can be reduced significantly by establishing small business in the rural area, because people will get employment from the small business, so they will not be dependent on the agriculture only. As the more population depends on land for its survival, the land is further divided into small pieces. It no longer remains beneficial to do farming on such small fields. Every year there is a further increase of approx 30 lakh people who depend on agriculture. So it has become necessary to reduce this burden on land, and this is possible only when people will establish small business. Actually, the small scale farms provide an excellent opportunity to young men and women with limited money to start their own business, and they become entrepreneurs. In the absence of small business, they will have to go in for the employment in large scale concerns because they cannot launch enterprises by their own. And small business, in this way, small business also help in entrepreneurship development in the country.